everyone students. Welcome to our maths channel. Intermediate second year maths to be integration part. Integration part in part 9 completed. Now part 10 class. Okay. In previous classes we discussed about the methods topic. In methods method 1 completed. In method 2 also 2 to 3 problems completed. In that one third problem now. Okay. So can you remember the process of solving the method 2 problems? Yes. If the problems are in the form of integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integration of px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, or px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. All these three models belongs to method 3. If the given problems are in this form, what is the process? Yes, the process is let px plus q equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Okay, a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Find out the ab values by comparing the coefficient both sides. After that, substitute in the our assumption px plus q value, then we get the solution. Okay, right. Now I continue this class. Before continue the class, students, if you like my classes, please share to your friends and subscribe. Okay, right. Now in solution, first, what is the numerator value? X plus 1. Let x plus 1 equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus x square minus x plus 1 plus b. Okay. Now a into derivative of x square 2x minus x derivation is 1 plus constant derivation 0 plus b as it is. Now finally 2ax minus a plus b, which is the value of x plus 1. Take this is the first equation. Now compare both sides. Compare both sides. X coefficients and constants. Okay. So x coefficient, here x coefficient is 2a, in RHS 2a, in LHS x coefficient there is no term, then 1 is there, meaning of that 1 is remaining. So a equal to, from this product to take into the opposite side by a value 1 by. Okay. Now constant minus a plus b. So minus a plus b equal to, in this one constant LHS 1. A value 1 by 2 substitute in this one, 1 minus 1 by 2. That means minus already is there. A value 1 by 2 plus b equal to 1 plus b equal to 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 taken into the 1 minus 1 by 2 taken into the opposite side plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 to the LCM, we get b equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So a value 1 by 2, b value 3 by 2. Here LCM 2 is the LCM, 2 1 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Okay. Now substitute these two values in 1. Substitute a comma b values in 1. Then first equation implies x plus 1 equal to a into a value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into derivative of x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1 plus b. What is the b value here? 3 by 2. Okay. Take the given problem. Integration of x plus 1 by root over x square minus x plus 1 dx equal to integration of x plus 1 value from the above equation, a 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into derivative of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 whole by root over x square minus x plus 1. separate the denominator and also separate the integration. Okay, so integration of 1 by 2 is constant now. 1 by 2 into integration of derivative of dy by dx of x square minus x plus 1 by root over x square minus x plus 1 dx. Okay, first term denominator separated and also integration also, plus 3 by 2 integration. Here 3 by 2 constant now. That's why 3 by 2 constant integration of 1 by square root of x square minus x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now this is in its form. In order to understand clearly, let x square minus x plus 1 equal to f of x. Replace this function by f of x. What we get here? Square root of f of x. Here derivative of f of x. What is the derivative of f of x? F dash x. Now read this one. Integration of f dash x by square root of f of x. Integration of f dash x by square root of f of x formula 2 root f of x. Very. So 1 by 2 into 2 root f of x, x square minus x plus 1. In this term, we use which formula? Means integration of f dash x by f of x dx. Square root of f of x dx. Formula is 2 root f of x plus c. Okay. Now plus 3 by 2. This is in which form? Yes. Integration of 1 by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. That is method 1. Okay. Right. So integration of 1 by root over. In method 1, what is the process? Reduce ax square plus bx plus c into a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. So x square coefficient is 1 only. That's why 2 a x b. In order to write in which value, then the total product equal to x means there is no 2. That's why multiply and divide with 2, then b value is 1 by 2. If you find it out, then 2 cancel, we get the minus 6 as this. Okay. A square minus 2ab. B value this one, add b square, subtract b square plus 1 as this. Dx. Okay. Integration of x plus 1 by square root of x square minus x plus 1. Okay, completed now this one. Right, now continuation. Here 2 get cancelled. Square root of x square root of x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Plus 3 by 2 into integration of 1 by these first 3 terms can be written as a square minus 2ab, that is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, x minus 1 by 2 whole square, root over x minus 1 by 2 whole square. What is the remaining term in the constant? Here plus 1 is there now, plus 1. Not plus 1. First write on the positive term. Plus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square is minus 1 by 4 dx. Square root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 into square root of 1 by x minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 4. Do the LCM. 4 minus 1. 3 by 4. Into dx. Okay. Root over x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 into integration of 1 by x minus 1 by 2 whole square 3 by 4. That can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square dx. Now square root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2. Now this is the formula. Let us assume x minus 1 by 2 equal to t. Integration of 1 by square root of t square plus a square. In other words, integration of 1 by square root of x square plus a square. What is the formula for this one? Very good. Integration of 1 by square root of x square plus a square is sine h inverse x by a. In the place of x we have x minus 1 by 2. So sine h inverse of x means x minus 1 by a root 3 by plus. Now writing since here we use the formula integration of 1 by square root of x square plus a square dx equal to sine h inverse of x by a plus a. Okay. Now final answer is square root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 into, here do the LCM, 2x minus 1 by 2, here root 3 by 2 get cancelled. Final answer sine h inverse of 2x minus 1 by root 3. That's the end of the solution. This is method 2, third problem. X square minus x plus 1. Understood? Right on. Hey students, next continuation. Fourth problem. Integration of 3x minus 2 into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1. Yes, this is method 1 or method 2? Method 2 only, because of this is in the form of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is again in method 2 model only. In solution, take the given problem as it is. In this process, what is the first step? Let px plus q equal to, let px plus q, that means 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 equal to a into derivative of d by dx of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus b. Okay. So a into derivative of 2x square, 2 into x square derivation 2x minus x derivation 1. Next derivative of constant is 0 plus b, keep it as is. Now 2 2 are 4, 4x into a, 4ax, 4ax minus a into minus 1, minus a plus b, which is 3x minus 2 equal. Okay, compare both sides. Compare both sides. First, x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? 4a. What is x coefficient in the LHS? 3. From this a equal to 3 by 4. A value 3 by 4. Now compare constants. What is constant here? Minus a plus b. Constant in the LHS minus 2. What we get the value of a? 3 by 4. Already minus is there. That's why a value 3 by 4. Plus b equal to minus 2. B minus 2. Minus 3 by 4 taken into the opposite side. Plus 3 by 4. Okay. 4 into minus 2. Minus 8 plus 3 by 4. What is b value? Minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. B value minus 5. What is the next step? Substitute a comma b values in 1. Take this the first equation. Substitute a comma b values in 1. Then first equation implies 3x minus 2 equal to a. What is a value here? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into derivative of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus b. B value minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Okay. Now take the given problem. What is the given problem? Integration of 3x minus 2 into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now replace 3x minus 2. Integration of 3x minus 2 value 3 by 4 into derivative of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus into minus 5 by 4. This one 3x minus 2 value So 3x minus 2 is replaced by this value into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now separate the integration. Here these two terms multiply with this square root. Then here 3 by 4 is constant integration of here square root of right on as is the derivative of 2x square minus x plus 1 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Next minus 5 by 4 into okay, here 3 by 4 completed, that's why write down here dx minus 5 by 4 constant 1 into something square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Okay, right. Now 3 by 4 into integration of this root x general. Root x can be written as in exponential form x power 1 by 2. In the same way, square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 can be written as 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Okay. Next, derivative of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx minus 5 by 4 into integration. See, this is in which form? Yes, this is in square root of ax square plus bx plus c form. Okay. So square root of ax square plus bx plus c form is in with method 1. Okay. In method 1, what is the process? Common the x square coefficient. So what is the x square coefficient? That means reduce this term into a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. That's why 2 is common from this one. 2 is common remaining x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2. Because of there is no 2 in this term, that's why by 2. Here also there is no 2, that's why divided by 2. Okay, dx. Now listen. Here if you replace 2x square minus x plus 1 by f of x, then we did this one f of x whole power 1 by 2 into derivative of f of x. What is derivative of f of x? F dash x. So this is in the form of f of x whole power 1 by 2 into f dash x. That is in which standard formula we have? Yes, integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x. What is the formula for this one? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Very good. So 3 by 4 into f of x whole power n plus 1. 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Here we use this formula. Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. What is the formula for this one? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. In this step we use this formula. Okay? This formula used when f of x and f of x whole power n into its derivation. F dash x is there, then only we use that formula. Right? Now continuation. Minus 5 by 4 into integration of root this one b, root a into b, root a into root b, root 2 into square root of a square minus 2, a value x, b value how much? How much writing here, then the total product equal to x by 2 means here 2 na, here by 2. In order to get x by 2, here we write 1 by 4. 2 cancel, 1 by 2, x into 1 by 2, x by 2. Okay? So a square minus 2a, b value 1 by 4. That's right. Plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2 dx. Okay? Now 3 by 4 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2. Okay? Minus 5. Root 2 is constant na? Common from this one. 5 root 2 by 4 integration of these 3 terms can be written as the 3 terms is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square integration of square. What is a here? X, b 1 by 4. X minus 1 by 4 whole square. First write down the positive term 1 by 2. After that negative term 1 by 4 whole square 1 by 16 dx. Okay. Now here 3 cancel, 2 1 yeah, 2 2. Okay. In order to finish this one, I want to do this one. Okay. Remaining 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into square, 1 by 2 into 2x square. 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Next, minus 5 root 2 by 4 into square root of x minus 1 by 4 whole square, x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Do the LCM. What is the LCM? 16 is the LCM. 2 8 2 8 16. 8 minus 1 into dx. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 root 2 by 4. Okay. 5 root 2 by 4. Integration of square root of x minus 1 by 4 whole square, 8 minus 1 7. 7 by 16. That can be written as root 7 by 4 whole square into dx. Now this one taken as t. This is in the form of square root of t square plus a square or a square. Okay. That means that is in the form of, I am writing since here integration of square root of x square plus a square. Right? That is in the form of integration of square root of x square plus a square. What is the formula? X by 2 into square root of x by 2 into square root of x square plus a square, x by 2 into square root of x square plus a square, plus a square by 2 into sine h inverse of x by a. X by a plus c. Here this is the formula we use. Don't confuse here. This one is formula which we use in this way. Formula. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 into 5 root 2 by 4. Now in the place of x we have x minus 1 by 4 na? X by 2, x minus 1 by 4, x minus 1 by 4 by 2 into square root of x square plus a square, x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4, root 7 by 4 whole square plus a square by 2, a value root 7 by 4, root 7 by 4 by 2 sine h inverse of x by a. What is the x value here? X minus 1 by 4. X minus 1 by 4 by a value root 7 by 4. Plus. Okay? Alright. This 5 root 2 by 4 is total term product. Okay? In order to finish the problem, I want to rub this one. Now 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. This 5 root 2 by 4 is product to the first term and also right second term. Okay, product this one. Here 5 by 4 into root is there, that root 2 into this root. Okay, we need to write it. Right. So do the LCM. 4x minus 1 by 4 whole by 2. Okay, remaining root 2 na? Root 2 into square root of x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4 whole square plus this total term into minus into plus minus minus 5 root 2 by 4 into root 7 by 4 means root 7 means 7, root 7 whole square means 7, 4 square value 16 whole by 2 sin h inverse of LCM in the numerator 4x minus 1 by 4 4 by root 7 by 4 4 cancel plus. Okay, right. Here 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4 into 4x minus 1 by a by b, 1 by a into b, 4 to the 8. Okay, now what is this value? Here we simplify this one from here. X minus root 2 is common from this one. After this one, completely reduced to like this. So just we common root 2 from this one. That's why again product to this term. Then we can get total product equal to actual function square root of 2x square minus x plus 1. Okay. If you hand it out, simplify this one a minus b whole square root a by b whole square. Simplify this one. Finally, we get the same term. That's why no negative because of this term. We get this term from this term only. That's why directly root 2 into square root of this one. Finally, we can write square root of 2x square minus x plus 1. Here important thing is root 2. Don't confuse and don't forget to multiply root 2 here. Because of root 2 is common from that term only. That's why the product of root 2 and this term is equal to square root of 2x square minus x plus 1. If you wrote this value equal to that one is wrong. Because of we common from root 2, no? Root 2 from this root. Okay, right. Minus x plus 1 minus. Any cancellation terms are there? 5 into 7. 5 7 35 into root 2. Okay. Now 4 into the 16 into 1 by a by b, 1 by a into the 16 into 2. But 2 the 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. Sin h inverse of 4x minus 1 by root 7 plus a square root cancel. Final answer is this one. 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. 5 into 4x minus 1 into 4 8 32 into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 minus 35 by 16 4 64. 64 root 2 into sin h inverse of 4x minus 1 by root 7 plus c. That's the end of the solution. This one is the previous one. Okay. This one is lengthy but very easy if you understood perfectly. Okay. Right. From the first term integration completed in the third step only, which is whenever the given problem is in the form of integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x. The second term continuation is one. That the total problem belongs to method 1 only. That's why if you perfect in method 1, then we can easily do the problems which are in method 2. Understood? Right now. Students, next continuation, which is the fifth problem in method 2. Sir, here this is not in the form of px plus q. Your doubt. No, this is also in the form of px plus q into, this is in the form of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Here your doubt is there is no q now. Yes, q value 0 here. Q become a q or constants in this px plus q or not. That's why compare with this one. This is also in the form of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c. That's why method 2. What's the first step in method 2? Let px plus q nothing but x equal to a into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c, 1 plus x minus x square plus b. Okay, simplify this one. A into constant derivation 0, 1 derivation, x derivation 1 minus x square derivation 2x plus b. Okay, a into 1 a minus 2ax plus b equal to x. Compare both sides. First, x coefficients. What is x coefficient? Minus 2a. What is x coefficient? 1. A value minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next, here constant a plus b. So constant terms, comparison of constants. A plus b. A plus b equal, here constant, there is no constant, that's why constant value 0. A value minus 1 by 2 plus b equal to 0, b value plus 1. Okay, now what is the next step? Substitute a comma b values. Substitute a comma b values in 1. What is 1 here? This one is the first equation. Okay. From that, first equation implies x equal to a into, what's a value? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into derivative of 1 plus x minus x square. Okay. Plus b. B value, how much we got? 1 by 2. Okay. Now take the problem. What is the problem? Integration of x into square root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. In the place of x, substitute this value. Okay? Integration of, in the place of x, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into derivative of 1 plus x minus x square plus 1 by 2 whole into this one. Square root of 1 plus x minus x square. 1 plus x minus x square into dx. Okay, right? Now multiply this one. Integration of minus 1 by 2 into derivative of 1 plus x minus x square into square root of 1 plus x minus x square. This one is the first term product. Next plus 1 by 2 into square root of 1 plus x minus x square whole dx. Now separate the integration to each term of the given function. Okay, minus 1 by 2 is constant. This root can be written as 1 plus x minus x square whole power 1 by 2 in exponential form. Okay, now derivative of 1 plus x minus x square. Okay, integration separated to the first term. Now in the same way, separate the integration to the second term. Here 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by 2 into integration of root of 1 plus x minus x square into dx. Okay. Now this is in, if you take 1 plus x minus x square as f of x, this is in the form of f of x whole power n into f dashes. Derivative of f of x f dashes. So that is in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash. What is the formula for this one? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x minus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Here we use which formula means, since integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. What is the formula for this one? F of x whole power n plus 1. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. Okay. Here this formula used in this place. Now again this is the form of integration integration of square root of ax square plus bx plus c, which is method 1. What is the first step? Reduce this term into a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. That's why integration of square root of x square coefficient is minus 1. That's why common minus 1. Okay. Simply minus x square minus x minus 1 into dx. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x minus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 into integration of square root of minus of this one transform into the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's why multiply and divide with 2 here. X square minus 2. There is no 2. That's why multiply and divide with 2. Therefore 2ab, b value 1 by 2. That's why add 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 answers. Dx. Okay. In order to write the next step, I want to rub this one. Here 2 get cancelled, remaining minus 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 4 by remaining value 3 only plus 1 by 2 into integration of square root of minus of first 3 terms a square minus 2ab plus b square a minus b whole square x minus 1 by 2 whole square. In these two terms negative is there, minus is common. 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus 1. Minus common, that's why minus becomes plus. This minus common to each and every term, that's why whole bracket dx. Minus 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into integration of square root of this one minus of x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus to the LCM 1 plus 4 1 by 4 plus 1 LCM 4 1 plus 4 by 4 5 by 4. Okay, that 5 by 4 right dx minus of 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into minus into minus plus. So multiply with the negative because of in square root we don't write the negative. That's why multiply into internal function minus into minus plus, this 5 by 4 can be written as root 5 by 2 whole square. Minus into plus minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Or you wrote this one, okay. Next minus of 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now this is in the formula. If you take this one is a, this one square root of a square minus x square. That is in the form of square root of integration of square root of a square minus x square dx. A square minus x square. X by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula. Okay. In the place of a we have root 5 by 2. In the place of x we have x minus 1 by 2. So x is replaced by x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2 by 2 square root of a square minus x square root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, up to here completed. Plus a square by 2. A value root 5 by 2. Root 5 by 2 whole square by 2 sine inverse of x. X value confusion minus of 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 multiplied with each and every term of this bracket. Do the LCM 2x minus 1. Okay, 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 by 2 whole by 2 into this total term is equal to 1 plus x minus x square. Why? Because here the only negative is common from these three terms. After that, to get into the normal form, that means the square root of x square plus a square or a square minus x square, we multiply with the internal function. That's why there is no common from this given function. That's why the total function is equal to directly replaced by 1 plus x minus x. Here you have one doubt. In the previous problem we multiplied with root 2, but here directly writing that value is equal to the given function. Why? Because in the previous problem x square quotient is 2, we common root 2 from that one. In order to replace the original function, we multiply with root 2 only. But here we common just negative only. That's why multiply that negative into internal function only, we get this this function. That's why this total function is replaced by 1 plus x minus x square plus 1 by 2 into root 5 by 2 whole square, 5 by 4, 5 by 4 by 2 sine inverse of, do the LCM, 2x minus 1 by 2 whole by root 5 by 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Now minus of 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 whole by 3. Here 2x minus 1 by 1 by a by b, 2 to the 4 into 2, 8. Square root of 1 plus x minus x square plus 1 by a by b, a into b, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 5 by 16 into sine inverse of 2x minus 1 by root 5. That's the end of the solution. Okay? Actual problem is integration of x into square root of 1 plus x minus x square. Understood? Clear? Right? These problems are very lengthy but very easy if you understood perfectly, and also if you are perfect in formulas also. Okay? Here listen carefully. What is that one means? The main point important thing is every method depends on the previous method. If you perfect in method 1, then only we can easily do the method 2 problems. Okay? From here onwards, method 1 problem only. Okay? In the second step, method 2 term completed, integration. In method 1 processing up to ending that process only. If you perfect in method 1, then we can easily finish the method 2 problems. Understood clearly? Okay? If anyone have doubts on this one, please call me, I will explain to you. Okay? Right? That's the end of today's class. Okay? Remember the formulas, by heart the formulas, and practice daily. Okay? Thank you for watching my classes. If you are like my videos and classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.